If you have been throwing your avocado seed, stop now. Stop from today. Did you know that this can be used to make a very powerful hair growth spray that can help your hair start growing the way it is supposed to be growing? If you're suffering from excessive breakage, excessive shedding, you're having scalp issues, you're having dandruff, itchy scalp, and your hair is not just growing properly, please watch this video till the end. I'll be showing you how to make this spray, and I'll also be teaching you how to use it. So my DIY hair growth lovers, this is exactly what our avocado seed looks like. Yes, after cutting into two your avocado, this is exactly the seed inside of it. And then guys, I'm showing you this because we are not going to be making use of the peel. Yes, there is this peel around the avocado seed. Yes, I'm sure you can see it. We are going to be taking that off. We're not going to be making use of that. Guys, I never ever used to know that you can use avocado seed as a spray for hair growth at all. I have a lot of this seed in my house. I kept them so that I will be able to plant it. I'll be able to regrow this particular species of avocado because it is actually very, very nice. So since the day I found out I could use avocado seed as a hairspray for hair growth, I had to go and bring out my avocado seeds. Yes, I kept them all in a basket in my kitchen, and obviously it is dusty. They are all dusty, so I'll be making use of just this part, and I'm washing it because of the dust on it. Yes, so guys, I'll just be making use of just one, and then I'll be telling you why I'll be making use of just one in the course of the video. So after washing this, I'll just go ahead to start grating it. Yes, I'll grate this into small pieces. Very important, you can use your knife, but I think this method is more effective. That's what I think. Yeah, so guys, avocado seeds are rich in antioxidants, procyanidins, and fatty acid that nourishes the scalp. When used in a DIY hair rinse or spray or oil, they stimulate dormant follicles. They reduce hair breakage. Hey, can you hear that? Hair breakage. It reduces hair breakage. That is one amazing thing that I love. They promote stronger and healthier hair growth. This is one amazing thing. I keep saying this, once your scalp is healthy, it will produce healthy new growth. And then once those strands are healthy, they will hardly fall off. They will hardly break off. They will hardly get weak easily. And once you can crop out excessive shedding, once your scalp is healthy, you will not even be having excessive shedding. There are some people that have serious excessive shedding, and that is so bad. Once your hair is shedding excessively, you will hardly see volume, and once your hair is breaking excessively, you will not see length. So guys, I'll just be adding in 1 cup of water, and can you see already? Can you see that it's already changing color? This is so amazing. So we will not be boiling this at all. We will not be boiling this. We will just go ahead to cover. I'll cover this for about 5 to 10 hours. Yes, 5 to 10 hours is okay. And then this is what it looks like after 5 hours. Yes, I just allowed mine for only 5 hours, and I think this is okay. Like this, we can make use of this. This is ready to be used. I will just move ahead to sieve this out. Yeah, make sure to sieve. If you have a siever or a cheesecloth, I think that's what they call it. Yeah, just use it. Guys, I will be making use of this as a tea rinse. Yes, as a tea rinse. That's how I use mine. And please stick to the end of the video. I will tell you another method of using this. Very important. So I'll just add in a little bit of oil. Yeah, this oil has other herbs infused in it, but you can use any oil that you have, any plain oil. If your oil is plain, it is totally fine. So I'll just try to mix this up. Definitely it's not going to blend in because it is not soluble in water. So I'll just add this to my spray bottle so that I'll be able to shake it up properly. Yep. And then I'll just cover this. And then guys, for storage, you all know that I do not make very big batches of DIY. No, not at all. I only make the one I'll be using for just a day. But for people that want to keep theirs, they cannot make it every single day. The best thing for you to do is to just let's say keep in your fridge for about 10 days highest, and that is just fine. Please don't overdo it. So guys, this is it, all ready for use. So I will be teaching you all the right way to use this. You can use this in 2 ways. There are 2 ways you can make use of this avocado seed hairspray. The first one is as a tea rinse. Yes, after washing your hair, you can just go ahead to use this. Yes, after washing your hair, you can pour it on your hair and your scalp. Do you understand? You know how we do tea rinse now. You can pour this on your hair and your scalp, then you cover it up for about 20 to 30 minutes, or some people do 10 to 20 minutes. Yes, I do 10 to 20 minutes. So after I've washed my hair, on a freshly washed hair, I'll just spray this all over my scalp and my hair, and I cover for 10 to 20 minutes. Then I go ahead to rinse off. Then I deep condition my hair. Yes, some people do it the other way around. Some people first wash their hair, then they deep condition their hair, then they go in with this. Everybody have their way of doing this, but then I feel the first one is much more better. Yes, because tea rinses can actually be drying. Some herbs are actually really drying. Yes, so you can just do this, the first method. Yes, the first method I just explained. Wash your hair, use this, cover for 10 to 20 minutes, then you deep condition your hair. That is totally perfect. Then the second way of using this is as a leave-in spray. Yes, when I found out about this avocado hair growth spray, I had to make my research if this can be used as a leave-in spray. But then I saw that you can use this specifically for your scalp. Yes, that's what I saw. I haven't read further, but for the first research, this was what I saw, that you can use this specifically on your scalp. So you just spray this on your scalp, and then you just go ahead to add a little bit of oil to your scalp. If you do not have so much oil, you can just spray this, like just spray it on your scalp, because we have already put oil in this. Do you understand? So that is perfect that way. Do you understand? I will still search for if this can be used to moisturize the hair strands. When I find that out, I will come and let you all know. Yes, and I think if you're using this for your hair strands, you have to moisturize using your leave-in conditioner and then your hair butter. Do you understand? If you don't understand anything I'm saying, please do well to ask me in the comment section. I mostly use this as a tea rinse. If not, I would have shown you practically, and today is not my wash day, not at all. So for the next time I'll be making this, I will be showing you practically how I use this on my wash day. Yes, for any hair growth spray, I prefer to use it on my scalp and also my hair. But since I've not found out if this can be used on the strands as a leave-in, that is why I just prefer to use it on my wash day. I hope you understand what I'm saying. That is it for this. That is it for this. And trust me, this is one amazing discovery. One amazing one. If you love what you have seen, please do well to like, share, and comment. Yes, comment about this. Tell me what you feel about this. On this channel, I share different types of DIY that you can use to be able to grow out your hair. Cheap DIY products that can help with your scalp health and also your hair health. So guys, please, if you want to be seeing so many of these type of products, please do well to subscribe. Yes, I make a lot of them that you can just pick one or two that you can be consistent with. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.